Alright guys, so some of you used my link, my referral link, so I'm going to be opening it up one of the stocks right now, so let's see what it is. Alright, so which one should I pick? Alright, let's go with the left one. Oh, Sirius XM. I've never gotten this one before, but I now own one share of Siri. It's worth $5.89, so thank you, whoever you were that used my referral link. If anybody else, wants to use my referral link, go ahead. It's down in the description, so yeah, thank you. Hey, how's it going, guys? As you can see, my face is right here, so I'm actually recording my face while I'm doing this. So today we're going to be talking about pretty much my portfolio and what I own and what's been going on in April. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys right here is, the front page. On Friday, I was up about $50.84 in the, market hours, and then I was down about $2 in the after hours. In the past week, it's actually not been looking good. Everything's been kind of going down and taking a little downturn. I'm down $112 for the week, and then for the month, I'm up $155, and then for the 3 months, I'm up $217. As you can see, I added a bunch of money to my position. I did not have this much, the last time I made a video, but I added some more, and this is probably going to be the most I'm going to be having on here for a while. So let's get into the shares and everything that I have. I have some cool stuff to show you. So right here, the first thing I'm going to show you is I have some contracts. So basically this is for Pinterest. I got a put option for this. I have one contract and it was $15 for it, so 0.15 average. Pretty much the goal with this one is I need Pinterest to drop down to $22 in order for me to make some money on this. I could probably make like 6 times my investment as long as it gets to $22 before May 17th, which I think there's a high chance because this past week it's went down about $6. It was at $34 high. I didn't get the puts in time. I did it a little later when it got to like 31. But yeah, I'm still working on it, so I think this is going to be a good investment. It's only a $15 risk. The next thing I have is Disney Call right here. So I have one contract. The value of it was 1.36, so $136 for it. Pretty much this one is saying that my goal is to have Disney at $180 by January 17, 2020. I think this one can happen. We have Disney Plus coming out and many other things. I mean, Avengers just came out, but Disney's been doing kind of bad, as you'll see in my portfolio. But I think Disney can recover in the long run. It's a long-term investment for me. So okay, so the first stock, as you guys already know, the first stock is Microsoft. Microsoft actually is doing pretty good. It was up to about 131, and then it took a little dip right there the other day, but it's recovering back up. I have 12 shares at an average of $122. I'm up about 5.5% for $82 gain. After that, we're going to have Disney. Disney was at about 142. Now it's at 134. It took a huge dip this week, but it's healthy, pullback. I have 10 shares at an average of $125.92. I'm up about 6.35%, which is about $80. Next, we have Starbucks right here, long-term investment on Starbucks. Pretty much I have 7 shares at an average of $75.88. I'm up about 2.87%, which is about $15. We have Realty Income. This is one of my REITs right here. I have 10 shares at $69.67. I'm up about 1% on this one, but this is a dividend yielding stock, pays monthly, so I'm not even worried about that. Right here we have Store Capital, another one of my REITs. I have 18 shares of this one at an average of $32.96. I'm up about 2.44%, which is about $14. Another one of my, dividend yielding stocks, so it doesn't really matter as long as I'm getting the dividend. Gladstone Capital, another dividend stock in my portfolio. I have 15 shares at average of $9.27. I'm up about 2.34%, which is $3. But once again, this is dividend stock. We have Ford. Ford's doing amazing if you really look at it. I have only 3 shares at an average of $9.32. I'm up about 11.59% at a $3 gain. Yeah, they had very good earnings, and Ford's doing very well right now. I wish I actually had more. Then we have the big dog right here, Enphase Energy. Now, if you guys have been watching me since the beginning, I used to be invested in this. This is the solar panel stock. I was invested in this and the marijuana stocks. I really regret selling this one because right now I have two shares at an average of $10.04. I'm up about 36% on this stock. Now, if you remember, I had, I think, 40 shares at an average of $8.06. I would have been up a lot on this stock, like 60 or 70%. But Enphase Energy, solar panels, that's the next thing, next big thing. I think this is a great investment. I might add some to my position if the chance ever occurs, but I'm not adding any money right now to my portfolio, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. And yeah, but that's pretty much my portfolio, guys, for April. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the portfolio, what has been doing good in your portfolio. And yeah, can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.